Hello, anglers! Today, we're diving into the ultimate fishing experience with the FONMANG 322-piece fishing lures kit, designed specifically for bass fishing enthusiasts across the USA. This all-in-one kit offers a vast array of fishing accessories, from lifelike animated lures to essential gear, ensuring you're prepared for every season and water condition. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, our comprehensive 22-page bass fishing guide, packed with expert tips and techniques, will elevate your fishing game to new heights. The kit includes everything you need, from buzz baits and chatter baits to crankbaits and spinner baits, all neatly organized in a compact double-layer box that fits perfectly in your tackle box, car trunk, or backpack. It's the perfect gift for any occasion, whether it's Mother's Day, Father's Day, or just a special treat for yourself. Enhance your fishing experience and reel in your next big catch with the FONMANG difference. So, gear up and get ready to catch more bass, anywhere, anytime. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.